Today we're going to make a painting of a girl with an umbrella. You can use any size paper, and you can use a canvas if you want, because that would just look better. And if you want your painting, like your paper, to stay in place while you're painting or drawing, you can use tape. I'm using washi tape, but you can use any usual tape. So you can see that I've already drawn the figure, and since it's a silhouette, I'm going to color it with black. So now that I've colored everything black, I can do the background, but before that, I'm just saying I use markers, and you can use acrylic paint, but I think markers are much easier to use. So I'm going to do like a sunset effect with pink, orange, and yellow. So I'm using a thick brush, like really thick. So now I'm just going to pour my paint in. So over here I'm doing it close to the actual paint, the girl really with a thin brush, so then it doesn't get mixed in. And when you're using the bigger brush, like go from one side of the page to the other, so then you get it done faster. And you'll need to blend some of the colors, like I'm using yellow and this magenta color, and I'm blending them for like this orange. And you can use water to get smoother. So there are 3 options for drawing this picture. 1, you can paint your background first and then do all the details, like the floor and the girl. Or second option is you can draw everything, no coloring, and then you can color with the black later, like after the stuff dries. And then third option is to do like me, draw your figure first and then do everything else. I think this one's more comfortable, like it's just easier for me. But if you're not confident enough, like that your black will mix into your other colors, then you can use one of the first or second options. So now that we're done our actual painting, I painted on some little stars. When your painting is fully dry, you can take the tape off. It looks sort of like the outside's a frame, and the inside's the picture and the outside's the frame. So now I'm going to take the tape off, which always, when I take the tape off, it's always my favorite part. So I don't need this anymore. And then the bottom part, actually I'll do the other side too. Yay! Then here. Ooh. And then the top. Uh-oh. The whole thing came off. I need to hold it. So here's what it looks like without the tape. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video, and I'm sure I'll make new videos like this one later.